Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to another episode of my must have. This is a new series that I started where I talk about my favorite product. I have already made videos on my favorite face wash, favorite toner moisturizer, and favorite aloe vera gel. So if you are yet to watch, then make sure to check it out. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my favorite fragrance. Now, I know many people love to use perfumes or ethers, but unfortunately, they give me headache. So, I generally prefer to use body mist as my go to fragrance. I have tried many body mists or body sprays in the past, but there is one in particular I am obsessed with lately, and that is this one. So this is Nykaa Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom. Now it also has lavender and rose variant, I believe. So as the name suggests, I have definitely bought it from Nykaa. Now, firstly, I love this body mist because of its floral yet fruity scent. The cherry blossom fragrance is not too overpowering or strong, and it's perfect for everywhere. Moreover, it's long lasting, so I don't have to worry about reapplying it throughout the day. And secondly, the packaging of this body mist is really cute and compact. It comes in this spray bottle, but one downside of this product is that it doesn't come in a smaller size. Like this is their standard size, but still I carry it around everywhere and it easily fits in my travel bag too. So whenever I feel like freshening up, I just spritz it. But I do wish it has a travel friendly smaller bottle. But the good thing is that this body mist is very affordable. So this 200 ml bottle cost around 500 rupees. So if you consider the amount of product you are getting, it will last you long, very long. And it's not something that's filled up with gas. It's pure water, it's pure liquid. So that's how it's actually make it very affordable considering the amount of product you are getting. So that is it for my must have fragrance. I hope you have found this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried this body mist before or you have any other recommendation for me to try out. So yeah, thanks for tuning in and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, as I always say, take a good care of yourself and love yourself a little bit more extra today. Bye bye.